Deployment signal acknowledged. Begin trawl.
The Pareto chart confirms the corrosion resistance is the primary issue here.
Yes, and these validated design updates should resolve.
The quality is superb. Get this ready for service tonight.
Yes, chef.
The digital twin confirms a % throughput increase.
I'm so sorry about the bone. Let me log that batch number immediately for quality assurance. We absolutely guarantee your satisfaction, so I'm sending a replacement and a coupon.
Hands, I need hands on table 4. 2 steaks, 1 medium rare. Let's move it.
Increase throughput by 10% to match the incoming volume spike.
Consistency is significantly improved, and defects are almost gone.
The data supports full deployment.
Agreed. Let's push this to all lines immediately. Training completion directly correlates with our process stability here. Exactly. Lower incident rates mean higher quality output. It allows for greater precision. Look at that throughput. We surpassed the historical benchmark. Excellent work. Keep it steady.
Make sure the weight is exactly 300 grams before sealing. Check the quality indicator right here.
And what if it's slightly over?
It has to be precise for this shipment.
I'll take the catch of the day, the red snapper.
Excellent choice, madam. Right away.
The paths are calculated algorithmically to maximize usable yield, minimizing trim loss, often below 3% industry average.
I hope you enjoy it.
Oh, this is absolutely delicious. Just perfect.
Descending into the multi-tiered spiral blast freezer, fish portions spiral gracefully downward along
Figure here on the printed scorecard, does it match the dashboard?
Yes, the automated system compiled it correctly. We are cleared for publication.
Crispers. As you can can see, our automated system ensures maximum safety and efficiency.
We actually offer paid internships for this role.
From a small family business to an industrial giant, built on 3 generations of hard work.
Dispatch to Unit 305, divert at the next interchange. We have a temperature alert and traffic ahead. Confirm new route details on your console.
Print.
Vessel 3 is secure at the dock. Begin unloading.
Roger that. Crane engaging.
Intake confirms receipt. Processing at full capacity.
Congratulations, Sarah, on being Employee of the Month. Your diligence saved the day.
Oh, thank you all so much. I'm honored.
Exact doses are metered into gelatin capsule shells, inspector under magnifying lenses, and polished, ensuring quality from ocean depths to daily wellness.
Pick complete. Move to next location.
Our journey from the ocean to these finished products is built on precision engineering and full traceability.
Based on the consumer feedback loop, we need to prioritize the texture issue on line 3.
Precision is absolutely key on this line. And quality assurance confirms everything is perfect before we ship.
Move those pallets to Zone C, quickly.
I need a lift truck over here now.
Watch your left, coming through.
Analyze the contamination alert. What is the immediate corrective action?
We isolate the batch and initiate the sterility cycle override.
All right, team, let's go. 5 minutes on the clock. Keep those transfers moving smoothly.
All right, bring that pallet right up to the line. Watch the clearance on the left.
Safety interlocks engaged. Confirmed. Initiating cut sequence.
Look at the renewable contribution percentage here.
Impressive. We are definitely hitting our targets for the carbon footprint reduction.
Turbidity and pH levels are well within compliance.
Good. Microbial indicators also look clear.
Our long-term vision is anchored in our commitment to ocean health and the safety of our incredible team.
The system graded this salmon a 9.2.
Yes, the eyes are clear. The AI analysis looks accurate.
The force reduction is consistent across all cycles.
Yes, well within the specified parameters.
Reroute materials to line 1. We need the float team at Station 4 immediately to clear the bottleneck.
Seal integrity confirmed on container 4B. Roger that.
Cold chain log updated. We are clear for dispatch.
Unit 7, traffic advisory on I-80 eastbound. Rerouting you via State Route 12. ETA remains unchanged. Copy that.
When assisting customers, emphasize the QR code. It links directly origin story, usage tutorials, and care.
Honoring nature, respecting labor, leveraging technology, achieving balance, harvested with care, crafted with precision.